Good morning, student. Today we start a new lesson from Mathematics paper 2 and our lesson name is Application of Derivative. So here are some topic which we have to see from this lesson. First topic is application of derivative to tangent and normal. Second, derivative as rate measure. Third, increasing and decreasing function. And fourth, maxima and minima. Student, remember here are some reduced portion from our syllabus. First is approximation, second Rolle's theorem, and third Lagrange's mean value theorem. This syllabus is reduced from our textbook. So please note that. Now let us start our chapter application of derivative, and here is our topic slope of tangent. How to find slope of tangent? Let y equal to f of x be a continuous function of x which represent a curve in xy plane and x1 y1 be any point on the curve. Then the slope of tangent is given by dy by dx at x1 y1 is equal to f dash of x at x1 y1. Student, note that slope of tangent is denoted by m. Therefore, we can represent like that m is equal to dy by dx at x1 y1. Now here are one note. What is that note? Normal is perpendicular to tangent. That's why slope of normal will be negative of reciprocal of the slope of tangent. So slope of normal is denoted by m dash, and the slope of normal can be find m dash is equal to minus 1 upon m, where m is slope of tangent. Now here is some equations. So our first equation is equation of tangent at point x1 y1 is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Here y1 and x1 represent points and m represent slope of tangent. Now next equation is equation of normal at point x1 y1 is y1 minus y1 is equal to y minus y1 is equal to m dash x minus x1. Here x1 and y1 represent the point and m dash represent the slope of normal. Now these are the equation which we have to use when we solve the exercise. Here are some example which we have to see. So our first example is find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at the given point on it. So our first example is y is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 2 and our point is 1 by 2 comma 2, means x1 is 1 by 2 and y1 is 2. So let us start to solve. First write here given y is equal to 2x cube minus x square plus 2. Now differentiate with respect to x. We get, so dy by dx is equal to d by dx of 2x cube minus x square plus 2. Use here sum rule, minus so 2 derivative of x cube is 3x square minus derivative of x square is 2x and derivative of this 2 which is constant, so it will become 0. So we get only 6x square minus 2x. So it is dy by dx. Now for finding equation of tangent we want to find first slope. So slope of tangent m is equal to dy by dx and x1 y1. So here x1 y1 be our points. So right, and dy by dx is 6x square minus 2x and our point is 1 by 2 comma 2. So write here points 1 by 2 comma 2. Now put that point in this expression. So we get 6 x is 1 by 2 minus 2 into 1 by 2. Here is y, sorry, there is no any function of y. So y1 is remaining here. We only put here value of x1. Now calculate 1 by 4 minus 1. So it is 3 upon 2 minus 1. Cross multiply 3 minus 2 upon 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. So slope of tangent m is equal to 1 by 2. Now we also find slope of normal. So slope of normal is also m dash is equal to minus 1 upon m. So it is minus 1 upon 2. So it will become minus 2. Therefore m dash is equal to minus 2. Now we want to find slope. Now we want to find equation of tangent. So therefore equation of tangent is what is equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. So y is as it is and y1 is 2, m 1 by 2, x as it is, and value of x1 is 1 by 2. So calculate this first. Y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. This 2x minus 1 upon 2. So it will become y minus 2 is equal to 1 by 2. 2x minus 1 and it 2 into 2, 4. Now multiply this 4 here. So it will become 4y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore 4y minus 8 is equal to 2x minus 1. Take this all on this side. So like that 2x minus 4y minus 1 plus 8 is equal to 0. I am writing in 0. Instead of this I am writing here. So therefore 2x minus 4y plus 7 is equal to 0, which is the equation of tangent. Now find equation of normal. Therefore equation of normal is what is the equation? Y minus y1 is equal to m dash x minus x1. Put all the values. y1 2, value of m dash is minus 1 by, sorry, it is minus 2 and x minus 1 by 2. So y minus 2, multiply this minus 2x, this minus minus will become plus and this 2 to get cancelled, so only remaining plus 1. Now take this all and on left hand side. So we get 2x plus y minus 2 minus 1, which is equal to 0. Therefore 2x plus y minus 3, which is equal to 0. And this is our equation of normal. which is equation of normal. So our equation of tangent is 2x minus 4y plus 7, and equation of normal is 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now next example is same example. We have to find equation of tangent and normal at given point. So this is the equation of curve and point is 2, 4. So write given equation of curve. So this is x cube plus y cube minus 9xy, which is equal to 0. So differentiate with respect to x. We get. Now differentiate this. So d by dx of x cube plus y cube minus 9xy, which is equal to 0. So derivative of applying sum rule, here is 9 constant, so take it outside of differentiation. Derivative of x cube is 3x square. Derivative of y cube is 3y square, and derivative of y is dy by dx minus 9. Now we want to use here product rule. So first function as it is, derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is, and derivative of x is 1, which is equal to 0. So therefore 3x square plus 3y square dy by dx minus, multiply this minus 9 in the bracket, so we get now dividing 3 throughout the equation, divide we get. When you divide, then you get very simple expression x square plus y square dy by dx minus 3x dy by dx minus 3y is equal to 0. Now collect the term of dy by dx and take common. So x square plus y square minus 3x dy by dx minus 3y, which is equal to 0. Now transfer this term on RHS side. So you get y minus 3x dy by dx is equal to minus x square plus 3y. When we transfer this LHS side to RHS side, then sign will be changed. It will become minus and it will become plus. Now transfer this expression also LHS side. So you get only dy by dx minus x square plus 3y upon y square minus 3x. Now slope of tangent at point 2, 4. 2, 4 is our given point. So slope of tangent at point 2, 4. Therefore m is equal to dy by dx at point x1, y1. Now here point is 2, 4. So minus x square plus 3y upon y square minus 3x and here is 0.24. Now put the value of x is 2 and put the value of y is 4. So we get minus 2 square plus 3 into 4 upon 4 square minus 3 into 2 minus 4 plus 12 upon 16 minus 6. After calculating, we get m is equal to 8 upon 10. Therefore, m is equal to 4 upon 5. This is the slope of tangent. Now slope of normal. M dash is equal to minus 1 upon m. So it is minus 1 upon 4 upon 5. That will minus 5 upon 4. This is the slope of normal. Now we have to find equation of tangent. Equation of tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now put the values of x1, y1. So value of y1 is 4, value of m is 4 upon 5 and value of x1 is 2. Now multiply this 5 here. So 5 y minus 4 and this is 4 x minus 2. Therefore multiply this 5 in the bracket. 5y minus 20 is equal to 4x minus 8. Now take this all the terms, so it is 0 and 4x minus 8 minus 5y minus plus 20. So write it proper. 4x minus 5y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Right here, this is equation of tangent. Now we have to find equation of normal. Therefore, equation of normal is y minus y1 is equal to m dash x minus x1. Therefore, y minus 4 is equal to m dash is minus 5 upon 4 and here is x minus 2. Now this multiply 4 on LHS side. So we get 4y minus 4 is equal to minus 5 x minus 2. Now multiply this 4 in the bracket. So we get 4y minus 16 is equal to minus 5x. This minus minus will become plus 10. Take this on LHS side. So we get 4y minus 16 plus 5x minus 10 is equal to 0. So write it properly. Therefore 5x plus 4y minus 26 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of normal. Right here, this is equation of normal. Now next example is x equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta at theta is equal to pi by 6, and same we have to find equation of tangent and equation of normal. Student, note that here point is not given. So first you have to find point with the help of this given expression x and y. So first x equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta, which is given at theta is equal to pi by 6. Now put the value of this theta. So we get x is equal to sin pi by 6 and here y is equal to cos 2 into pi by 6. So it will become cos pi by 3. 2 get cancelled. So here x is equal to 1 by 2 and value of cos pi by 3 is also 1 by 2. So this is our point. xy is equal to 1 by 2, 1 by 2 means x1 y1 is equal to 1 by 2. Now with the using given expression you can differentiate it. So given x is equal to sin theta and y is equal to cos 2 theta. Now differentiate with respect to theta where theta is the parameter. So differentiate with respect to theta, we get here theta is parameter, so dx upon d theta, and differentiation of sin theta is cos theta. Here also dy upon d theta. Differentiation of cos is minus sin 2 theta and this is multiplier, so into 2. Now we know that formula for parametric function, so dy upon dx is equal to dy upon d theta upon dx upon d theta. Now put the values. So dy upon d theta is minus sin 2 theta into 2. So I am writing here like that, minus 2 sin 2 theta, and here dx upon d theta is cos theta. So it is dy upon dx. Now here we want to find slope of tangent. So therefore m is equal to dy by dx at point x1 y1. But here x1 y1 is not present. Here is present theta, where theta is parametric function. So we have to put here value of theta which is equal to pi by 6. So here minus 2 sin 2 theta upon cos theta at theta is equal to pi by 6. Now put the values, minus 2 sin 2 into pi by 6 upon cos pi by 6. We know that the values minus 2 sin pi by 3 upon cos pi by 6. We know that the value of sin pi by 3, sin pi by 3 means sin 60, and value of sin 60 is root 3 upon 2, and cos pi by 6 means cos 30, and value of cos 30 is root 3 upon 2. Therefore m is equal to minus 2 root 3 upon 2 upon root 3 upon 2. Now this root 3 upon 2, this root 3 upon 2 get cancelled. So we get m is equal to -2, which is the slope of tangent. Now slope of normal is also put the values. So this is slope of normal. Now we have to find slope of we have to find equation of tangent. Therefore equation of tangent is write the formula y minus y1 is equal to m x minus x1. Now we have point y1 x1 which is 1 by 2, which we already find. So put only these values. Value of m is -2. Sorry, here is one mistake. Here the value of m is equal to -2. Then value of m dash is 1 by 2 because minus minus get plus. Therefore -2 here x minus 1 by 2. Therefore 2y cross multiply here, 2y minus 1 is equal to -2 here is upon 2, 2x minus 1 upon 2. This 2 get cancelled, so only remaining 2y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to minus 2x minus 1. Now these 2 multiplies there, so it will become -2 2x minus 1. Now 2y minus 1 is equal to minus 4x plus 1. Take on LHS side, so we get 2y minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. Write it properly. 4x plus 2y. Sorry, here is one mistake. This minus minus plus, but 2 into 1 is 2. So write here 2 and this will become -3. So this is the equation of tangent. Now we have to find equation of normal. Therefore m dash x minus x1. Now put the values here. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to value of m dash is 1 by 2. Two y minus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2, and here 2x minus 1 upon 4. So this upon 2. So this 2 get cancelled, only remaining 2y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1 upon 2. Now this 2 is multiplied here, so we get 2 into 2y minus 1 is equal to 2x minus 1. Therefore 4y minus 2 is equal to 2x minus 1. Take this on RHS side, so it will become 0. 2x minus y minus 4y plus 2. Write it properly. 2x minus 4y plus 1, which is equal to 0. So this is equation of normal. Now next example is find the points on the curve where the tangents are parallel to line, to this line. So we have to find points, and this is the equation of curve and this is the line. So first take equation of curve. Given equation of curve is y is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x. Give it equation first. Let over point B, let P x1 comma y1 be any point on the curve first. Now differentiate equation 1. We get, so differentiating dy by dx is equal to d by dx of x cube minus 2x square minus x. So it will become, I am differentiate here directly, 3x square minus 4x minus 1. I am avoiding some steps here. You can also avoid it. So it is dy by dx. So slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx at point x1 y1. Remember here our point is unknown and which we have to take in it x1 y1. So here is also we take x1 y1. Now instead of x you have to put here x1. So it will become 3x1 4x1 minus 1. This is the slope of tangent. Also there is equation of line. This is the equation of line. So write, also given equation of line is, what is the equation? 3x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. We want to find slope. So first, if equation of line is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are constant, then its slope is equal to minus a upon b. This is the formula for slope of line. Okay, so you can use that formula and you can find here slope, which is equal to minus a upon b means minus 3 upon minus 1, which is slope is equal to minus 3. But here is clear indication that this tangent are parallel to line, therefore slope are equals. But tangent of curve first is parallel to the line. Second, you can write here equation 2. Therefore, slope are equals. Means the slope of tangent, this is, and the slope of line is equal. So you can write here, sorry, there is one mistake, minus 3 minus 1 is plus 3. Therefore 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1 is equal to 3. Now take this 3. This is because of slope are equal. This is the slope of tangent and this is the slope of line. So 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 1 minus 3, which is equal to 0. So therefore 3x1 square minus 4x1 minus 4, which is equal to 0. Now this is the quadratic equation. So 4 into 3, 12 minus 12. So these factors are minus 6 plus 4. Sorry, here is 2. 6 into 2, 12. So factors are minus 6 and plus 2. Therefore 3x1 square minus 6x1 plus 2x1 minus 4 is equal to 0. This is not need to write. This is only for your understanding. Now take common 3x1. So remaining x1 minus 2 plus 2 common, x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So we get x1 minus 2 and next bracket 3x1 plus 2, which is equal to 0. Therefore x1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So there is x1 minus 2 equal to 0 or 3x1 plus 2 equal to 0. That's why x1 equal to 2 or x1 is equal to minus 2 upon 3. So we get 2 points, x1 equal to this and x1 equal to this. So we have to find now y1. But since we take point x1 y1 on equation first, since x1 y1, point x1 y1 lies on equation first, therefore y1 is 2x1 cube minus 2x1 square minus x1. Now you can put the value of x1 in this expression, so you get value of y1. Add x1 equal to 2, y1 is equal to 2 cube minus 2 into 2 square minus 2, 2 cube 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 2. So it will become 8 minus 8 minus 2. Therefore 8 minus 8 cancel. So y1 is equal to minus 2. So when you take x1 equal to 2, you get y1 is equal to minus 2. Therefore point x1 comma y1 is equal to 2 comma minus 2. Also add x1 equal to minus 2 upon 3. Same equation you can put here, y1 equal to minus 2 upon 3 cube minus 2 upon 3 square minus 2 upon 3. So minus 8 upon 27 minus 2, 4 upon 9, minus minus will become plus 2 upon 3. So minus 8 upon 27 minus 8 upon 9 plus 2 upon 3. So there is simple calculation, 27 minus 8 minus 24 plus 18, and which is equal to minus 14 upon 27. So y1 is equal to minus 14 upon 27. So therefore our point is point x1 y1 is equal to, when x1 equal to minus 2 upon 3, we get minus 14 upon 27. So we get 2 points. First point 2 comma minus 2 and second point minus 2 upon 3 comma minus 14 upon 27. Hence required points are 2 comma minus 2 and minus 2 upon 3 comma minus 14 upon 27. Now there is some practice problem from exercise 2.1. First equation is find the equation of tangent and normal to the curve at given point. So in first and second example point is given, but in third example the point is not given. So with the help of value of t you can find the point x1 and y1. When you put the value of t you get point x1 and y1. And second example is you have to find point which is on the curve and tangent is perpendicular to this line. Student, here note that tangent is perpendicular, so slope are different, and here you have to find the point. So these are some examples which you have to solve. If any doubt, any difficulties, then you can call me. Thank you.